learn something. I wonder what you learned today.
Sweet?
What is it? It is round and it is red. Let's play a guessing game. So, what is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scooty, scoot, toot.
Is it a red ball? No, it's not a ball. This is something you can eat. What? Guess next. Is it a lollipop? No, it's not a lollipop. This food is much softer than a lollipop. Who guessed last? Yes, it is a tomato. Nice guess. A tomato is a kind of food, like bread, cheese, and grapes. Tomatoes grow on a vine or on the ground. Do you think a tomato is a fruit or a vegetable? A tomato is considered a fruit and a vegetable. When a tomato is still growing, it is green. And when it's ready to eat, it turns red. A tomato is juicy. And can be made into tomato sauce for spaghetti or pizza or ketchup. Inside is squishy and really yummy. Do you know what did the slow tomato say to the fast tomato? I'll catch up with you later. Looks like you owls need to catch up on your playtime. Wow, tomatoes are pretty great. Aren't they, Scoot and White? It's been wonderful learning about tomatoes together. I wonder what we'll learn next time.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all ready for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for K100 on the app stores.
Hey, what? What are you up to today, little owl? Ah, nice. You're practicing your flying. Good luck. Don't worry, you'll get it soon, what? Be careful, what? You're falling. A trampoline. Good idea. Nice catch, Scoot. What is it? It is a circle, and it has numbers on it. Is it a pie? No, it's not a pie. This isn't something you can eat. What? Guess next. Is it the moon? No, this is not the moon. This is something you can hang up on a wall, and it can tell you the time. Who guessed last?
Clock?
Yes, it is a clock. Nice guess, Who. A clock helps us know what time it is.
Time.
A clock can be really big. Or really small.
Small.
And clocks can come in different styles and shapes.
Shapes.
Some clocks even look silly. Do you know how to be silly, little owls? Let's look around.
Outside. It is daytime. I see you decided to take the small one. And here is your favorite treat, carrots.
The sun's a circle.
This is blue. And this is a ball. A blue ball. Blue. Blue. Great. The ocean. Of course. The ocean is blue. That's right. The sky is blue. Rainbow Wars. Do you love blue? Can we say blue together? Blue. I'm sure you like blue.
When I'm working on my art, red's a perfect place to start. Blue and yellow, when they meet, they all make my art complete. Can you name the colors out loud? When I'm working on my art, red's the perfect place to start. Blue and yellow, when they meet, they all make my art complete. On the rack. It's so pretty and so black. My black dog is all alone, playing with his doggy bone. I like to sit on a black chair when I'm combing my black hair. My dad drives a big black car. It can drive us very, very far. My new sweater's on the rack. It's so pretty and so black. My black dog is all alone, playing with his doggy bone. I like to sit on a black chair when I'm combing my black hair. My dad drives a big black car. It can drive us very, very far.
What a lovely day to visit your grandma, Penguin. Look, there are some beautiful pictures hanging on the walls. Let's see what is in them. I see a clown holding some balloons. Can you help me count the balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. In this picture, you can see a lovely green tree with apples. Can you help me count the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. They do look delicious, don't they? Now here I see a bunch of lovely flowers. Can you help me count the flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. They are so beautiful, aren't they? Hey, Penguin, you have yummy cookies. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yummy cookies. That's great.
Get up and go take a nap. Because obviously you're tired. You're doing things that tired kids do. You're tired. Go take a nap. You go to sleep for a while. It's okay. Julia's here, right?
Hi, everyone. Hi, Larry. What a great day for camping. Let's go camping. Look, Larry. It's daytime. The sun is shining.
Julia, get up off the floor.
Flying, and it is light outside. It is daytime. Hey, what do you do during the day? I bet you like to play with your friends during the day. Tired, Larry.
Out of all 3
You had a
flavors.
full day.
Sir.
Now
Sir.
it's night.
Out of
The
all
sun
3
has
flavors,
disappeared.
sir.
The moon is now in the
I
sky.
expect you to know.
Stars are sparkling in the sky too.
So why
It is night. What do you do at night? Everyone is tired, and they go to sleep at night.
Go take a nap.
Good night, Larry. Tomorrow it will be day and night again.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Your job is to recreate a mystery dessert using just the evidence left behind.
Fox Monday. It's the class of Lieutenant Baker's turn to take a crack at crime scene kitchen.
The seamstress confesses murder in the home.
That's a crime scene. All new crime scene kitchen. Monday on Fox.
will run and play, catching every sunshine ray. Nighttime comes back into town when the sun starts going down, making its way for the moon, telling us it's bedtime soon. Sun is out, shining bright. Welcome daytime, goodbye night. In the day, we'll run and play, catching every sunshine ray. Nighttime comes back into town when the sun starts going down, making its way for the moon, telling us it's bedtime soon.
Hello, Bunny Bunny. I see that your mommy sent you to the market. What are you buying? Do you need to buy some tomatoes?
Is a small brown house. In my room lives Big Teddy. In the house, a small gray mouse. My dad drives a small new tractor. My mom has a big old truck. In the yard, I have small kittens. In the pond, a big white duck.
Hi, Millipedes. Let's go on a trip to meet some friends and hear loud and quiet sounds. Here is a kitten. Its meow sounds so quiet. Quiet. Maybe he wants some milk. Wow, now he sounds so loud. Loud. Did you hear that loud sound? The TV is making a loud sound. Loud. Let's make it quiet. Great! Now the TV sounds quiet. Quiet. Oh, here's Mr. Drum. Mr. Drum is very quiet today. Quiet. Mr. Drum, can you play some loud music for us as well? Oh, that was a great, loud, and quiet trip. It was so much fun. Thank you. Here are the seals. 3 seals. 1, 2, 3. are your polar bear friends? 1, 2, 3. 3 polar bears. And here are your penguin friends. 1, 2, 3 penguins. Wonderful. Penguin, it was so much fun to meet your friends. We met 3 seals, 3 polar bears, and 3 penguins. Now what are you going to play with? Great game, penguins. You are bouncing snowballs. 1, 2, 3. 3 snowballs. It's time to go, penguin. Can you wave goodbye 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, penguin.
That's me before Dawn Power Wash.
Soaking, scrubbing.
It's like, what is fun? Now Power Wash gives me the power of overnight soak in minutes. I'm sorry, minutes? With 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps that help break down, loosen, and lift away food and grease. So much faster. Just spray suds on. No water needed till rinsing. But for mess, let the suds sit a few minutes before wiping. Even cleans. The grill. Thank you. It's more than soap. It's Power Wash.